In the quiet light of early morning, when the world is still half asleep, the fields slowly wake up. The air feels cool, gentle, calm, like nature is whispering secrets. Dew rests softly on the petals, and every drop looks like tiny diamonds, shining as the sun rises. This is the moment when perfume truly begins. Farmers move carefully through the rows of flowers. They don't rush, they don't force, they respect every plant, because they know one simple truth. If the flower is damaged, the fragrance is lost. Our perfumer walks through the field with a calm smile, gently holding the petals in her fingers. She doesn't pick randomly, she listens, she observes. She chooses only what is ready, soft, open, full of fragrance. Basket after basket slowly fills with roses, jasmine, lavender, and blossoms full of life. And time is everything. If these flowers wait too long, they wilt. If they get too warm, they lose their soul. So they move quickly, onto trucks, toward the factory, while their fragrance is still alive. Inside the facility, something magical happens. Machines stand tall and shiny, steam rises, glass pipes sparkle like crystal, and yet, everything feels calm and precise. It's science and art working together. The flowers are poured gently into extraction machines, and here, the invisible essence hidden deep inside them is released. Through steam distillation, hot vapor passes through the petals and pulls their fragrance upward. The air fills with beautiful scent. Then slowly, the vapor cools, turns back into liquid, and separates drop by drop into precious oil. Some flowers are too delicate for heat. So they meet another technique. Solvent extraction. Carefully, safely, the fragrance dissolves, forming something thick and waxy called concrete, which is later transformed into pure absolute, one of the most powerful forms of perfume in the world. Every drop is rare, every drop is precious, every drop is years of nature condensed into liquid. Now we enter the heart of creation, the laboratory. Here, shelves are lined with bottles, tiny vials, notes, droppers. Everything is quiet, everything matters. And this is where our perfumer becomes something more. A chemist, an artist, a storyteller. She lifts a paper blotter, inhales gently, closes her eyes. She doesn't just smell, she remembers. Childhood, rain, love, warm evenings, forgotten moments awakened by scent. Perfume isn't mixed randomly. It follows a beautiful structure. At the top are bright opening notes. Citrus, herbs, fresh air, what you smell first. Then slowly, the heart opens. Flowers bloom, spices whisper. The fragrance becomes soft and emotional. Finally, the base arrives, warm woods, sweet vanilla, rich amber. Staying close to the skin, long after everything else has faded, drop by drop, she blends, adjusts, listens. Sometimes one single adjustment can take hours, days, even years. Because perfume is not just a smell, it is a message. Once the balance feels right, the mixture rests. Just like tea needs time, perfume needs patience. It sleeps in dark rooms, inside sealed tanks, away from light and heat. Quietly maturing, softening, becoming smoother, deeper, more beautiful. Months later, the liquid is ready. Now the manufacturing line wakes up. Empty bottles ride gently along conveyor belts. They are clean, crystal clear, glowing under bright white lights. Machines move with perfect precision. Golden perfume streams smoothly into each bottle, measured exactly, no more, no less. Caps drop softly into place. Labels slide on with elegance. Quality inspectors check every piece, every surface, every millimeter. Nothing leaves this room unless it is perfect. Then, packed into boxes, wrapped in care, the bottles begin their final journey across the world. We finally see the finished product, displayed under soft lights on glass tables. It shines quietly, confident, elegant. Without saying a word, it already feels luxurious. A spray is released into the air. Tiny droplets float like stars, like memories suspended in time. Our perfumer applies a little to her wrist, and in that single moment, something emotional happens. Perfume does what words cannot. It reminds us of people we love, places we miss, moments we never want to forget. It makes ordinary days feel special, and simple moments feel beautiful. And while we wear it, we rarely think about what brought it here. We don't see the farmers working at dawn. We don't see the machines carefully extracting its soul. We don't see the years of research, testing, and patience. But everything is there, inside the bottle. Hands coming together, ideas, science, creativity, dedication. It is teamwork, persistence, and love for craftsmanship, captured in liquid, flowers from distant fields, technology from modern laboratories, skill from experienced workers, and imagination from perfumers with extraordinary senses, all combine to create one small piece of luxury. In the end, perfume is not just something we spray to smell good. It becomes part of us. It sits on our skin. It moves as we move. It stays long after we leave a room, like a soft signature, invisible but unforgettable. And every time someone opens a gift box and finds a perfume inside, there is wonder. A moment of excitement, a quiet smile. Not because of the price, not because of the brand, but because fragrance connects with memory. It reminds us that life is full of emotions, stories, and experiences that can live forever inside one simple bottle. From those early morning petals to your hands, this is the journey of perfume. A journey of nature, a journey of science, a journey of art, a journey that begins with one small flower and ends with a feeling you can wear. And as our perfumer walks back through the flower fields at sunset, everything feels complete. The sky glows with soft orange light, the wind moves gently, the day slowly closes. The bottle rests at the center of the frame, silent, beautiful, holding inside it the soul of countless flowers, the work of many people, and the magic of fragrance that will live in memories for years to come. Because perfume is not only perfume, it is emotion. It is story. It is time captured in scent, and every spray tells that story all over again.